Welcome to know about Click Funnels Actionetics Review. Click Funnels Actionetics Review, no doubt that autoresponder usage are flawless way for marketers to automatically connect and send messages to their customers in correspondence with their actions and activities. ClickFunnels automation tool called Actionetics has even made it easier for business owners and marketers to smartly build rapport with leads throughout their journey in their sales funnels. In this ClickFunnels Actionetics review, we shall go into how this tool differs from our normal email marketing automation tools, what makes it stand out and how you can get the best out of it. You might be aware that you can only have access to this ClickFunnels inbuilt autoresponder when on the enterprise plan of ClickFunnels, but there's a better option for cutting down cost. All reveal soon. Click the link below this video for more updates. Although ClickFunnels integrates with tons of other email platforms, so in case you decide to go for such options like GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. It's all good. But please pay a good attention to the features of Actionetics before you switch away from your current autoresponder or start exploiting Actionetics. Okay? ClickFunnels Actionetics Review. Here is what we shall be covering in this Actionetics review. What is Actionetics? Why need Actionetics? How it differs. Actionetics features. Actionetics price. Conclusion. Actionetics bonus. What is ClickFunnels Actionetics? Actionetics is apparently ClickFunnels' email marketing automation tool that fantastically works together with your sales funnels to help you communicate with your audience based on their interaction with your business. This platform performs what your usual email service can't execute. Just like Backpack, ClickFunnels Actionetics I built into ClickFunnels software and isn't available on the $97 per month plan, but you can have access to it when you upgrade your ClickFunnels to the enterprise plan. This email automation tool doesn't just function as an autoresponder, but so useful for making sure your messages are delivered accurately and targeted. Being an inbuilt tool inside of ClickFunnels, you can't use it on other list building softwares or on other sites that aren't built with ClickFunnels, but you can integrate ClickFunnels on WordPress websites. However, one great advantage of Actionetics is that it can quickly tell about your customer journey and engagement inside your sales funnel. So therefore, you can communicate to them rightly depending on purchases, funnel actions, visits, demographics, etc. Why Actionetics? How it differs? Of course we all know ClickFunnels Actionetics works similar to other email services such that it stores your contacts, create lists, and allow email broadcasting and automations. But the question now is, should it replace your current email software? Wait for it. Unlimited contacts in Actionetics. I know you're already conversant with most these popular email services on how their pricing structure works. You pay more as your email list grows in size, right? Let's quickly take a look at how much you got to pay per 5,000 subscribers on the popular email automation tools out there and compare with double size of the subscribers, 10,000. MailChimp, you pay $50 for 5,000 subscribers and $75 for 10,000. Aweber, you pay $49 for 5K and $49 for 10K. ConvertKit, you pay $79 for 5K and $119 for 10K. ActiveCampaign, you pay $89 for 5K subs and $139 for 10K. GetResponse, you pay $45 for 5K subs and $65 for 10K subs. As you can see, the monthly bill, these email tools can easily reach thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. Meanwhile, with Actionetics, you can add unlimited contacts to your account at no extra costs. This allows you to utilize email marketing in your business the way you want. Sounds like a good idea, right? With Actionetics you create smart list. Smart list creation is one of the distinctive features of Actionetics which other email marketing services do not possess. How does smart list works? This feature of Actionetics will automatically add or remove contacts from an email list based on a specified rule. Let us take for instance, you have a list of people who opts in to download a lead magnet. You can set a rule to move those who lands on your sales page out from opt-in list to maybe a sales page list, or move those who lands on the upsell page of your funnel from the sales page list to maybe another list. Hope you get the point? There are tons of specific rule you can set to take advantage of this. Here are custom group rules you can specify using Smart List. Social rules, this lets you filter contacts according to specific number of followers of any social media network. Funnel rules, for matching a contact who visits a particular step in a funnel. Contact rules, matches a contact by contact details, tags, time zone, demographics etc. Product rules, matches a contact according the product bought. Email step rules, matches a contact according to who opened a specific email in your funnels. Broadcast rules, matches according to your email list who opened, did not open, never opened or never clicked a broadcast mail. List rules, matches whether the contact belongs or does not belong to a list. Swift email delivery with Actionetics. Another feature which makes Actionetics distinctive is that it gives you additional flexibility for your mails to be delivered to your subscribers without delay and limit to the type of messages you can send. Services like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign doesn't support affiliate marketing. So how Actionetics does this? That it doesn't send emails itself, rather it depends on an SMTP service to do that. Using your own SMTP enables your mails to be delivered smoothly even when you've affiliate links littered all over your mails. This also curbs deliverability issues because you're using your own SMTP service. Thanks for watching this video.